Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Facebook profile officially in 2025. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone like this. And after then, you have to click on the top right corner's profile icon. And then you will see an interface like this. Normally press on the profile name of you and then you can see your profile here. And after that, normally you have to click on this three-dot bar and click on it. Now choose this option, lock profile. And finally, you have to choose this lock profile option. So normally I'm gonna click on it and that's it. Here you can see that I have successfully locked my Facebook profile. And in this way, you can lock your Facebook account too. So that's all about today's video. From now on, if anyone visits your account, they will see that your profile has been locked. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.